Hey friends, if you encounter the error, there was a problem refreshing your PC, no changes were made, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. It's not very difficult to resolve this problem. I'll tell you how this is done. First of all, restart your computer. So, right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to update computer and make sure that all updates including security updates are installed. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. And the last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the service is checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.